For some reason, I automatically blink.
I know. And you're anticipating the shot. That's good. It's a pretty nice little gun.
Did I hit it?
I mean, you got one in the circle, or a quarter of the circle, and you shot it in the head a lot.
Yeah. So yeah, I got a little bit of jump to the left. I got it.
I'm gonna go for the red fish.
Got it in the target. For somebody blind, that's pretty good.
I'm gonna go for the red fish.
Go get some glasses.
No, I'm gonna go for the clownfish. The clownfish.
Yeah, the clownfish. That's a little dot. Let me go get some vision. Better.
Let's see where the clownfish at.
Let me put that camera on my eyeballs. I can see in that thing.
There's the clownfish. Still hit it though. I suck. Yeah, I hit one in the center. Somewhat in the center. A lot of them dropped.